Company background. Munchy'S is located at Batu Pahat, Johor, Malaysia, handled by SK Tan and LK Tan. Everything was started in 1991 when they bought a second-hand wafer stick machine. From time to time, Munchy'S continue to look forward to new potential products and innovation as it works to maintain its reputation as the country's most innovative and successful biscuit brand in Malaysia. Munchy'S is now recognized as the #1 Malaysian homegrown biscuit company. Now, Munchy'S products are sold approximately over 60 countries.
For the vision, company Munchy'S is to be in the leading position in every country that we compete in. The main marketing of Munchy'S company include making communication customer by good promotion and expanded advertising. For the Munchy'S Crunch collection include Munchy'S Crackers, Lexus, Oat Crunch, Music, Choco, Captain Munch and Assorted. For the mission, company Munchy'S is want to provide fun, cheeky, humilicious biscuit and snack for everybody around the world. Driven, it has office in Malaysia, Shanghai and Qingdao and sell its popular product in over 50 countries across Asia Pacific.
We can see there is an organization chart for company Munchy'S.
Strategic supplier partnership company Munchy'S is number one is Munchy'S production capacity increase to market Munchy'S globally. For the Africa South, in the first destination, they established a partnership with a reputable MNC chocolate company to extend Munchy'S product range to include a chocolate wafer. Second, Munchy'S want to spend large amount of capital on marketing and advertising to secure their business. MNC company as on television, billboard, newspaper and often hear on Munchy'S radio to promote company Munchy'S. Next, carry out continuous development in line with the process of expanding into other countries. For example, MNC companies continue to work to improve economic condition. They upgrading Munchy'S company transaction and through merge and acquisition of other companies. Next, Munchy'S always believe in strong and effective brand building. Munchy'S achieve objective through strategic consumer-led communication and promotion.
Customer relationship management. Improving customer loyalty is one of the main advantages of utilizing customer relationship management. By using this strategy, Munchy'S capability to dealing with all the involving services, marketing, and selling their product to customer can be conducted in an organized and systematic ways. Second, Munchy'S will be able to improve its customer retention rates. Third, it helps to create stronger coordination inside the organizations. And lastly, customer relationship management helps Munchy'S business to provide a more focused and cost-effective marketing campaign.
Munchy'S company has used electronic data interchange (EDI) in their companies. The use of this EDI is to communicate with other organizations. Second is transfer of Munchy'S business documents from computer to computer in a standard format. The third is a benefit of Munchy'S is a faster way to get the information you want. Further, second is Munchy'S company also use barcoding in its company. C is radio frequency identification, RFID. RFID typically to move thousands of pieces of inventory through their door.
Utilization of 3PL provider. Munchy'S company is using third-party logistic 3PL in logistic activities such as warehousing or inventory transportation and freight forwarding to the recipes, and technology system. Munchy'S use third-party logistic TPL in warehousing or inventory in order to ensure the efficient flow of goods from the origin point to the end of consumption. For example, many products such as music, lasers, Crunch, and Captain March are packaged in quality packaging so that no damage is done to the product. This has made a positive impact on the cooperation of transport companies like DHL and Post Laju to export their product in each state. B. In terms of transportation activities, Munchy'S company use air freight and aircraft as one of the Munchy'S product carriers to be shipped overseas or to the state of Malaysia. The information technology system in TPL for supply chain management and logistics, such as the electronic data interchange (EDI) used to communicate with other organization. Barcoding usage is also used for barcode scanner, which are usually located at the supermarket payment counter. Radio frequency identification (RFID) to move thousands of pieces of inventory to their door. Cooperation with competitor. Munchy'S company has partnered with Cipita, the #1 food production company in Greece. Their collaboration has resulted in the release of Munchy'S new 7 Days bread. Munchy'S 7 Day is produced for children, also for students and working individuals who are constantly pursuing their work hours. Munchy'S company has also partnered with Kachera Soup Kitchen to address the shortage of food supplier for the disadvantaged families. The event is being held in the capital city of Kuala Lumpur through a corporate social responsibility (CSR) program involving 28 volunteers.
Post-permanent and VMI. How the product is designed for manufacture, DFM. The Munchy'S engineering team is considering the number of configurations the product will have. The product potentially undergoing a design change to facilitate future configuration in the supply chain. Strategy to reduce labor costs. Munchy'S companies can reduce some of their labor costs by not finalizing goods so customer can be placed or place order. But if the company holds the semi-finished goods for too long, then it risks encountering inventory obsolescence and or damage. Vendor managed inventory (VMI). Inventory which is managed by supplier or vendor, taking responsibility for elements of inventory management, including setting and managing inventory level, reordering and replenishing. For the fourth, Munchy'S use strong supply contract in their company that clearly define the cost of retaining inventory for both parties. Vendor will require to hold inventory until demand is confirmed. This means they must incur their own cost to retain the inventory within their warehouse.
Performance measuring. Munchy'S use quantitative measures as the assessment to measure the performance and compare or track the performance of products. Quantitative measures can be divided into two types, which are non-financial and financial. Non-financial measures include cycle time, customer service level, inventory level, product and service quality. Cycle time can be defined as the business processes of interest, supply chain process, and the order to delivery process. Munchy'S uses supply chain lead time with supplier lead time summary, manufacturing lead time, distribution lead time, and logistics time for transportation of raw materials from supplier to factory, and for semi-ready and ready delivery of products in and out of storage. The customer service level in a supply chain. Munchy'S fulfills its customers' demands by filling orders. Munchy'S has always maximized their customers' service level by maximizing order filling rates, minimizing stock outage, and minimizing back orders levels. Munchy'S uses financial measures. The increased price of products of Munchy'S is because of the inventories, transportation, facilities, operation, materials, and labor. The financial performance of Munchy'S supply chain is evaluated by considering raw materials costs, income from goods sold, inventory storage costs, and other related activities. Conclusion: Munchy's is a company that provides delicious biscuits and snacks. Munchy's also has good relations with various countries in marketing its products related to MNC chocolate companies. Munchy's company is also working on various logistics and supply chain management in terms of transport, information system, information technology, new products, performance measurement, and developing good relationship with competitors, strategies for growing the company, and more. This shows that the development of the Munchy'S company has given a great deal of success and improved the company's performance in a more advanced way. To date, Munchy'S products has attracted more than 60 countries including Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, Japan, and Vietnam.